Welcome back to MVP Auto. Today we're diving into the brand new 2026 Honda CR-V, one of the most popular compact SUVs in America. And this time, Honda has taken things to the next level with more style, more technology, and more performance than ever before. If you've been waiting to upgrade or just love seeing how the CR-V continues to evolve, this model year is going to get your attention. From the outside, the 2026 CR-V carries an all-new design that looks both sleek and athletic. The front end is bolder with a wide grille, sharper LED headlights, and more sculpted lines running down the body. Around back, the CR-V keeps its signature vertical tail lamps but updates them with a modern LED light signature. Depending on the trim you choose, you'll also get new alloy wheels that range from 18 to 20 inches, giving the SUV a strong and confident stance. It's a vehicle that looks right at home whether you're pulling into the office, heading out on a family trip, or taking on a weekend adventure. Step inside and Honda really delivers a cabin that feels more premium and more connected. The interior is roomier than before, with improved rear legroom and clever storage areas that make everyday use more convenient. At the center, there's a large new touchscreen running Honda's latest infotainment software with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital driver's display gives you clear information at a glance, while available features like a head-up display and wireless charging pad make the CR-V feel modern and user-friendly. Honda has also paid attention to comfort, with supportive seats, upgraded materials, and available heated and ventilated options up front. Families will appreciate the improved cargo space and a rear seat that folds completely flat for those larger grocery runs or road trips. When it comes to performance, the 2026 CR-V is designed to offer a perfect balance of efficiency and capability. Standard models feature a refined four-cylinder engine that delivers smooth power for everyday driving. But the real highlight is the advanced hybrid powertrain. Honda's latest hybrid system not only improves fuel economy, pushing combined ratings well above 40 miles per gallon, but also delivers stronger acceleration with instant torque from its electric motors. For drivers who want more confidence in bad weather or on light trails, all-wheel drive is available across the lineup. The suspension has been tuned to provide a comfortable ride while keeping the SUV composed and planted in corners, making the CR-V one of the best-handling compact crossovers out there. Safety has always been a major selling point for Honda, and the 2026 CR-V continues that tradition. Every model comes with the latest Honda Sensing Suite, which now includes enhanced adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic jam assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking. These features work together to keep you and your passengers protected, and they add peace of mind whether you're commuting or taking a long family drive. What makes the 2026 CR-V stand out is how it combines all these strengths into one package. You get bold styling that looks upscale, a cabin that's comfortable and high-tech, engines that are efficient and responsive, and a long list of standard safety equipment. It's still practical and reliable, but now it also feels more modern and exciting to drive. The CR-V has always been a top choice in its class, but with this 2026 redesign, Honda makes it even harder to beat. Whether you're shopping for your first family SUV or just want a versatile and dependable daily driver, the new CR-V offers a mix of value and refinement that few competitors can match. So what do you think of the 2026 Honda CR-V? Does the updated hybrid system and bold new look put it at the top of your list? Let us know in the comments. Make sure you like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe too.